if you simplify that, you get what is called as the approximate H parameter model. Okay, the H parameter, exact H parameter model for common emitter configuration is shown here. So additional என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, you're adding an voltage source VSRS in series and output side I'm adding a load resistance RL. இதுதான் additional நான் பண்றேன். மற்றபடி I'm using the same H parameter equation, H parameter diagram here. Additionally, since you know common emitter is used as an amplifier, right? So I am adding additionally VSRS in series at the input side, and I am measuring the output voltage using a load resistance RL at the output side. So input side la oru chinna change I am doing, output side la I am doing one more change. Okay, what is the objective here? We are going to see the approximate or simplified H parameter model of the transistor. And you see in the output side, see the first approximation paranga. In the output side, this 1 by HOE is very large compared to RL. This you have two resistance in parallel at the output side, 1 by HOE and RL. The 1 by HOE is very large, so I can consider to be open circuit. So இது இருக்கிறது ஒண்ணுதான், இல்லாதது ஒண்ணுதான். So I'm going to remove this 1 by HOE. Because when you compare to RL, 1 by HOE is very large. Okay, see this approximation, 1 by HOE is very much large compared to RL. So you can neglect the term HOE. HOE can be neglected. So I first thing, I'm going to omit this H1 by HOE term. So that is going to be my one step of approximation. Other things you see, and also this voltage source HRE value, see the HRE value, it is 10 power minus 4. So HRE value is very small. So otherwise, if you multiply VC, it is not going to be adding so much of significance to me. The HRE into VC, if I multiply, see here, the HRE into VC. VC is going to be the output voltage, it is IC into RL. So, and you know, IC equal to HFE into IB. So, if I multiply, even if I multiply all these terms, I will get a value which is very small, 0.01. So, this HRE into VC is not going to contribute to me in any way. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this HRE into VC. Remember from the exact H parameter model, how to get the approximate H parameter model. First assumption, I am going to add, at the input side, I am going to have an voltage source VS in series with RS. Output side, I am going to add a load resistance RL. First to go to the output side, you have two resistance in parallel and one resistance is very large. What is that resistance? 1 by HOE is very large. If you see the HOE value, see it is microamperes. The 1 by HOE எடுத்தீங்கன்னா it is 10 power 6 ohms வரும். So 10 power 6 na mega ohms. So the mega ohms விட RL will be in kilo ohms. Mega பெருசா, kilo பெருசா. So the mega ohms will be very big. So this 1 by HOE can be neglected or it can be removed from my circuit. And second thing, at the input side, you see this HRE into VC can be removed because HRE value is very small. So if you do these two removing in the diagram, you'll get the approximate model. See the diagram, it is very simple. HIE only the input side la, only the current source you have. So what I have removed, the HRE term is removed and the HOE term is removed. Other things are there. So in the circuit padi, if you calculate all the parameters, they say that the error is less than 10%. So exact circuit use பண்றதை விட, if you use the approximate circuit, the error is going to be less than 10%. So they say it is better to neglect HRE and HOE and you can obtain the approximate equivalent circuit. So your analysis becomes very simple, your equations become simple and you can find the answers very quickly. This is going to be the approximate equivalent circuit of a common emitter. So same way we can do the same thing for common collector and common base also. They have taken only common emitter as the